If you do get into the car, still not going to do you any good unless you can start the car. Hey guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here, and I've got a short video for you. These things here are your friend or your foe. They're junk without these. Here's something that you should know. Ladies, guys, help your wives out on this.
It's got nothing.
These right here, the batteries should be changed at least once every 2 years, okay? Period. Because guys don't carry a purse, so I keep a battery right in here in my money clip just in case. Having your key fob without a new battery in it and it goes dead, you're not getting into the car. If you do get into the car, still not going to do you any good unless you can start the car. So, having these right here, Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Bill. This one right here is for IKEA. Doesn't get any easier. You just push that little button down right there. Guys, I'm adamantly telling you to have your wives stick one of these in her purse so she has it and show her how to change it.
It's got nothing.
Ladies, if you're watching, real quick, like, there's a little notch right there. If you can see that. You put the key that you pulled out of there, there's a little button there that I pushed and popped it out. You twist that like that, and there is your battery right there. Change the battery once every 2 years. If you don't, keep a battery in your purse so that you can go and change it if you get to your car and it will not unlock the doors. Again, you could have a cop come and unlock the doors, but it isn't going to do you any good if you can't start the car. But having one of these, or take 2 of them, fold them up and stick them somewhere in your purse so you have it. And guys, again, put one of these in your wallet. Put some painter's tape around it. If you don't want the cardboard in there, put painter's tape around it and one wrap over the top and bottom and stick it in your wallet so you have it. Or change it every 2 years. Now, because the battery's only 2 years old, it'll probably still have some life in it. Keep that as a backup somewhere so you have it if you need it. But if you don't have this right here, you are dead in the water. And I can tell you, it's not a fun thing to have happen when you're stranded. So again, these are awesome, but without these right here, they're worthless. Mr. Know-It-All, out.